Hello guys, we have this TT Vivo here. First is you need to insert this and onto the next one. This one should be put in this position at all times, and you're gonna put back. Look at this, you're gonna put back this strap in the this bigger kind of metal. So to test the fit or how tight it is, just pull the strap downward, and if that fit right, you're gonna lock this into this one. Just push it gently, and that's okay, it's finished. Now the technique to remove this strap without detaching all the strap from this metal, because it will take you a kind of time to remove this strap, this piece of lock. So I'm gonna remove this first, and the technique without removing all this kind of loop in the lock, you just pull this side. In this side, you're gonna pull this red cotton, or what they call this, and when you pull this one in this side, you just pull the strap to the other side into the opposite direction. See, and when it's done, I'm gonna hold the strap just like to the end of the helmet, and see, you got plenty of place for you to remove the helmet from your head. So when you put back the helmet, just hold the strap in this position and insert the helmet into your head. That's how easy it is. So when you lock the strap after putting the helmet on your head, you just pull this one, the end of the strap, and again you're gonna hold this one to make it steady, and pull the strap and test how tight it is. Or to lock the strap, just pull this downward. If you need more, just do that, and if that's enough and good for you, just put the lock back again. Thank you for watching, and enjoy and ride confident.